no! An earthquake is happening! Is there anyone trapped underneath the debris? No need to worry, because L.I.G.T.A.S is here. L.I.G.T.A.S, or Little Intelligent Gear to Aid in Saving, is an Arduino-based robot to aid in rescue operations. Instead of humans, this robot will be the one to check the surrounding area for any people who have been trapped underneath the debris. This robot will limit the financial cost of rescue operations by checking the building first before using heavy and expensive equipment to rescue someone in a collapsed building without even knowing if someone has been trapped underneath or not. What's unique with our product is that this rescue robot is cheaper to make so that it could be mass-produced. It is also equipped with a thermal camera, making it able to locate people through heat signatures. With L.I.G.T.A.S on the way, the rescuers will save the day.